Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how we made organic fertilizers using weeds, cow dung, and so much more, using urine, things that are going to excite you. Now, I'm not the one going to be teaching. We have a team of researchers from Makerere University. We have the facilitators that are going to take us through. This is going to be very interesting. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to translate the video into English. Because the facilitator was using local language to speak to us. So because this is a big channel, I'm going to use English so that you can understand. You are welcome.
Oba cow manure oba goat manure ne bwina kubanga buli ki nga buli fresh epipa eno mugiraba olwokwanti obusa tugenda buteeka mu kutiya ekutiya mugimanyi tugenda kukola gulamu za 5 z'obusa bw'ente tuteeke muno mu pipa mwali baddenga mulimu ebitabo by'amazzi bimeka 2 niyo ogenda oyongezaako afuta ki tayimwe olabina obuka bwaki bwekigimusa ebyo. So eno ye dulamu yaffe naye tugamba bwe tugenda okukola ekigimusa kino olina kuba mu kisiikirize. Niyo olwokwandi wali we tugenda okukolera wafunda tujja kulaba tunamala okukola ekigimusa kino tujja gisula ekole ki abantu batulekole weerina okubeera mu kisiikirize. Olw'ensonga okolera musana obirekawo bebeera bigenda bikula biba ebbugumo liba lisusa obungi, omusana guba mungi, ebirungo bikola ki bikendeera kwaga bibenga biri waweweera bikule bulungi nabo bakola wayini. So eno edulamu gamina kwa mu kisiikirize wetegezo nti wogitudde wali ki wali flat.
And so he's explaining some of the things that we are going to use. We have paper, or what we call a tank. This is the smallest size of the tanks that you can get in town. And also he says we are going to use we put 2 jerry cans of water and first before we put the cow dung, and then he says we are going to use 50 kilograms of cow dung, and that is the tank as you can see, and water. And so we put it on a flat surface so that the fertilizer that is going to be made should not pour down. And so we use the fresh cow dung from the cow, fresh, very fresh. It shouldn't be dry or decomposed. And so as you can see, everyone is excited. They are going to get the cow dung, they are going to measure, and then we bring it and put it in the tank. And then after putting it in the tank, we add more water. Now when you see what he was explaining, you see that you put the cow dung is not actually supposed to sit inside the water, like down in the tank. You put a stick where you tie that cow dung so it remains swinging inside the water. And so as it swings, remember you're going to be turning it every now and then, and as it swings, the fertilizer actually comes out and mixes with water, and then after 14 days, the fertilizer is ready to be used. I'll be telling you some of the things that he was, teaching us how you can actually use that fertilizer, and it is really very good, and it is organic. It doesn't have, a lot of, harm to your soil, and it is good for veggies, for bananas, it's good for coffee, depending on what you are growing. So most of these things that you are seeing right there on your screen, we are going to use them to make fertilizers, pesticides. Guys, this is going to be very, very interesting. You don't have to miss this video. If you are watching this channel for the very first time, kindly subscribe, and you're going to be getting amazing videos about farming. And so now, after measuring the 50 kilograms of cow dung, fresh cow dung, as you saw, it was very fresh. They are going to tie this sack. We use this 50 kilogram sack. We tie it so that it doesn't pour out. And so after tying, keep watching what we are going to do.
emirundi okusuka kumukaliza okulukayo.
So this is the stick that I was talking about that we are going to use to tie the manure so that it can keep rolling. Now don't complicate things on your farm. You know, you can use anything available. You know, don't just be there, I can't afford. Whatever we are using right now is very affordable. You can actually use that old container that you have, you know. So don't complicate things. He's trying to teach us to do things like in a simplest way possible. So after getting that stick, we tie the manure on it and then we put it inside this tank. Now that small tank has for now some water, 2 jerry cans, and after that you add more water and then you make it, the manure actually doesn't have to sit at the bottom of the tank. The reason why we put a stick is because the manure should remain hanging or swinging in the water. I don't know the best word. Yeah. And so every day if you get them, you come and you try to turn the stick up and down like that, so that the manure mixes with water and then you get very good fertilizer. Keep watching.
Naye bw'oba okikola olina okujja n'omwana n'omulaga nti tukikola ki? Tukikola bwe tuti. Bw'otamulage.
This one does better for sucking. Are you going to add water?
So here we're trying to to tie. I think you can see that the manure is a bit heavy and that's why the tank was got broken, but then still it was not new, and so it's still fine, very fine. So keep watching and give us a like, leave a comment for us in the comment section. If you do not understand the video, please ask and then we shall get back. And so you continue to teach us that the more water you add, the more dung that you add. So if you use 50 kilograms of cow dung, you actually use 2 jerry cans of water. If you add 100 kilograms of cow dung, if you have a bigger tank, then you put 4 jerry cans. The more water, the more dung that you add, so that you can have a very good concentrated fertilizer that is going to be very good for your crops. So people continue to tie. It was really a very practical session, very engaging. As you can see, the people, they were very excited. I was also there. That's why I was able to do the filming, but I was there live and learning. I learned actually very much because I'm a vegetable grower. Yeah, this is going to be a game changer for me. And so after this, after you have finished the manure, putting the water, putting everything inside, remember we are doing from here just because we wanted to get a very bigger place. But you are supposed to do it in a flat area where there is shade so that you can leave it there, because after that it's going to be heavy. But because we had some guys, so they are going to carry this and put it in a very comfortable place where there is enough shade, and then there we are going to wait for it until after 14 days. After 14 days we shall be able to use our fertilizer. Well, now we shall always keep turning it until 14 days. So when you're keeping it, actually you make sure that you cover to allow, not to allow more water get in. Maybe if you have put it under a tree, not to allow rain, make it dilute. So you cover it a little bit so that the water doesn't enter.
Oyiga dala kuli kubanga era emirala tegiri kuno. Eno yeyongerayo ne bwe bibeera nga nnyaanya zino ezaffe era bino ebiri muno osobola kuteeka ku nnyaanya, ku bitunda, ku mboga, ku sukuma n'ebintu. So ebikoma kuba nti ogyemu plant green manure ono avudde muno, naye ate era n'ekirungo kiri eky'omunda kigenda kukola ki? kitegeeza okumera ebinyonyi bibiri n'ejjinja ki olina ekigimusa eky'amazzi urea lafule oba green plant tea oba green plant fertilizer gyewaliguze mu dduuka oba mitwalo 2 oba ya 15 oba 3,500 n'omutwalo depending on the quantities you are saving the money. Ekyokubiri you are quantifying obungi n'ebigimusa by'onaafuna ku faamu. Ekyokusatu you are able to water your garden n'ekigimusa kino ate to fertilize also that soil. Olaba multiple benefits. N'ekirala naawe wennyini kikuwa obudde obutabeera redundant. Kuba kiri yaligambye kangene nnywamu eccupa za bbiya 3 olw'okuba olina omulimu gw'olina okukola okendeeza n'onywa 2 n'okomawo awaka oba kemukyali otandikirawo ki enkya. Okunywa si kibi si kyekyo yo balancing okola n'emirimu ki. How do you package? Ofuna buboto kwanga kizibu nnyo osanga ekigimusa eky'amazzi n'okisumula nga kiwunya bulungi. Siba kiri
abatugavu abalimi ababulijjo kugamba twagala nnyo buli kimu okukiyitiriza mu bungi ate kugamba fertilizer oba ekigimusa tuba tusobodde okukyekolera ffe bennyini maybe low cost naye kyenkana kitya kye tusobola okussa ku nnyaanya zaffe kuba ennyaanya buli lwegenda ekula ogenda oyongerako ki kati ogenda oyongerako
kati ngezeni eno ebaketi yange sigenda senamu najjaga eno kubanga maama mali eyinza okubanga ekula mirimu mirala naye ngeze nsenye muno ennaku 14 zikoze eki ziyiseewo ntaddemu kilo zange eyevu nsiti yalinze nsenga okutabulamu nga bwotufumba obuuje then kino olwombone kino nga nkijjiramu kati kino pipa esigadde erimu bigimusa byayo yadde wali kati after 50 bw'ogattamu evu owaawo olunaku lumu ebiseeti emikisinga busala ennaku 15 olunaku olw'16 nja kujja wano nsenewe eddagala lino oba ekigimusa kino bwe nsenawo ekikopo kimu ekyeddagala lino jabulamu ebyamazzi bimeka to dilute the too much concentration these simple vegetables. Ne bwe kibeera kitooke nyinza okukola emu ku emu nyinza n'obutatabulamu kubanga biri byetaaga concentration nga ya waggulu biri byetaaga simple concentration. So bwe ngamba tugeze nga bw'ojjanga nti nsimbye ennyaanya ntabudde ngambye ratio 1:2 amazzi 2 ekigimusa kimu akanyaanya ako nga ngenda ekikopo kimu kyosenye ngoma zo omikisinga amazzi nakyo osobola kiwa obunyaanya bumeka buna bukyali buto ne bwe bugenda bukula buli mwezi kwanti tekola ki yongerako kati ennyaanya enkulu emaze okubala tampeko yayo eba ekola ki egyemalira tuli ffenna naye tojja kujja nti oyiweko obuyinga n'ettaka likalubanga wano oba okoledde mu containers nga oba buveera oba ki ojja funa akati oba oba walabula obukumbi obutini ng'otakula ne wabanga wali soft ate era bw'oba oyiwako toyira ddala nti kino kyekikolo kino noyira ddala ku kikolo kuno wabeerawo tuyira mu kasaako inki nga 4 omukaaga okuva ku kusukuma okuva ku nnyaanya okuva ku doodo okuva ku katunda kati akatunda olaba akatunda fruit naye ate si yenkanakana na nnyaanya.
People who came to train us and they were saying this biocillary, the biocillary, we use it as a fertilizer at the same time as a pesticide.
Yes.
So as you were explaining, I was looking at this as a biocillary, like something like a biocillary. And yet for you, you said we only put down, we shouldn't put on the leaves. Those ones trained us that you can put on the leaves so that it is a pesticide.
You see the Ojayo obusabwente olumeni dung tubukozesa nga animal proteins kubanga buba butte bunakubeera fully digested
So there was a time for Q&A and people asked a lot of questions. You see, people had books, so they really learned a lot. So the ratio of how you're going to mix it when you're going to put in plants is 1:2, or sometimes 1:1, depending on the plant or the crop that you're cropping. In the next video, I will share with you the other fertilizer as well.